Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Wordpandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain CAT RC questions. This is a CAT 2018 RC question. Before you go through this particular video, make sure you go through the passage analysis video that's going to explain the passage to you and help you understand the passage in a much better way. Now, what do we have here in this particular video? What does this question specifically ask? The question asks, the Emory University experiment with mice points to the inheritance of. This is a fact-based question. The fact is directly mentioned in the passage itself. All you need to do is go back to the lines and refer to it. In fact, when you solve this question with the passage, you will realize that actually you don't even need to go back to the passage to identify the answer. It's such an easy question. When researchers at Emory University in Atlanta trained mice to fear the smell of almonds, they found, to their consternation, to their alarm or dismay, that both children and grandchildren of these mice were spontaneously afraid of the same smell. This is not supposed to happen. Generations of school children have been taught that the inheritance of acquired characteristics is impossible. So if the example goes against this, it's going against this specific fact. This specific fact states that inheritance of acquired characteristic traits is impossible. Then what is it that this example must be pointing out to? It must be pointing out to that acquired characteristics, the inheritance of acquired characteristics is possible, which is the option which talks about it. Option number B, are direct and easy to identify answer in this particular case. Direct fact-based derivation, nothing complicated about this question. Hopefully so you understood the reasoning behind it. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.